The subtext for today's podcast, To Beer Hai, which follows a cuss, of course, comes from the famous scene of the 2015 OTT series TVF Pictures, where a friend encourages another to break his 9 to 7 routine and work on his own terms and do more than he's capable of. The startup bug and the glamour of being called a founder had stung the IT hubs in India since then, especially in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurugram. And over the last 15 years, the startup space in India has quite matured, for good or for bad. But that is a testament to the fact that many tenured professionals always go through the infamous entrepreneurial itch, right? Let me be honest, it's absolutely not necessary that being an entrepreneur would yield you more personal wealth than being employed or salaried. One can excel being employed as well. Corporate jobs have been paying well for quite some time now in India, which means it's not about one being better than the other, but an entrepreneurial itch is different. It's a character trait, if I may call it. Somebody wants to build products and sell products. Some wish to build companies and ecosystems. Some build service engines. Some just want to burn someone else's money. There are so many kinds of us out there, right? But then there is a calling to do something of your own, to create or build something that you can call your own. This constant thought of business and the feeling that I'm not doing enough for myself, that I'm yet to reach the pinnacle of my potential, is deeply unsettling. And that does not let me enjoy my present. Okay. It is not about being cool, about being called a founder or a co-founder, but it is the sheer dissatisfaction of the structure of employment. Okay. If I have to put it in better, very politically correct words. Yet somehow, being a product manager quenches my thirst of being an entrepreneur in spirit in many ways. The job function demands a product manager to be multi-skilled, multifaceted, one who must watch out for multiple success factors of a product. And I have always encountered product owners and product managers who express to start on their own. They may be working in tech space today, but the business they dream to build crosses many realms. So to say, product managers make great entrepreneurs. So guys, I'm with my soul drink. Cheers. This is, for the record, honey-colored water.
Well, we all know that it's honey-colored water. So,
Yeah.